Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. So, Valentine's Day is just around the corner. You still have a bit of time to get some sales of your necklaces, message cards, or mugs, or whatever you're selling. But here's the thing, it's time to plan ahead too. That's what my next challenge is all about. I'm going to be teaching how to sell products in the birthday niche. These will sell evergreen. That is, year round. You can literally build your entire business on just birthday products. Why? Because people have a birthday every day of the year. Imagine you created a sweet little birthday message card and sold that. How about a nice birthday necklace? Or how about a funny birthday coffee mug? All those work. Now, let's get to one of the biggest issues I've seen over the past year with print on demand. Paid traffic has only gotten more difficult to do. It's not impossible, it's just harder to do now than it ever was. Do you still have a Facebook account? You're lucky. But that'll be banned at some point, just like everyone else. Do not rely on them to make money online selling print on demand products. Instead, let's explore some free traffic methods. No, I'm not talking about Etsy. I'm talking about another way to get sales for free for your products. That's what my next challenge is going to teach. I'll be combining birthday products with free traffic to get sales year round on autopilot. All you have to do is set this up and then it will run on its own. I suggest you do this to complement what you're doing now. If you're not in the group coaching program yet, go join now. The link is in the description to the video, and it should be showing on my screen right now. Don't stop your Valentine's Day efforts yet. Keep pushing. But let's add in something year round. If you're not sure how to do that, join the group coaching program now, and I will teach you. Have a great day, and I'm going to see you soon.